Hey y'all, how's everybody doing? Well, I'm going to let you be a part of an unboxing I've never done before. It's very expensive, and so I'm wondering if I want to continue with it. Um, it's called Daily Look, and it's like my Stitch Fix, where it is a um, stylist that helps you pick out clothes and then what you keep you pay for. And it's sort of like there's all kinds of services out there like this. Nordstrom has their own one. I think Rent the Runway is another one. And this one seems to be very, very good, but the items are very, very expensive. So I have left up here, hold on one second, um, each one of the items. There it is, the orders. And I was going to go through them with you. So here's how it comes in a big old box, just like this. It's a big old black box, and it says on it in blue, the moment you've been waiting for, Daily Look, my box. And as you can see, all these clothes came. Now, what I want to do is go through them and get your thoughts. I'm going to tell you, hold on, I'm going to tell you the cost of each of them. Let me think a minute. Did I do that right? No, the password's wrong again. All right, hold on. Don't give up on me. That doesn't work. I'll just move forward without it. Okay, I don't have time to look it up. Let's just look at them, and I'll tell you that each one of these items is around 70 bucks, 70 to 80 bucks a piece. So, okay, is it worth that? I'm thinking no, but let's look together. As you can see, it's all nicely bundled, and you know, it's one of those subscription services that you are the one that does the describing. Hello, little Bree. Little Bree's right here. Yes, it's clothing. She wants to eat it. No, it's just clothes. You can't eat it. Okay, so the first item is a shirt. And this is in my size. My sizes are 1X because when I do XL, it's too tight across the chest and the belly. And I don't want to look like that. And honestly, my wardrobe has changed to be more casual at home. But I want it to be nice. So this is a very nice shirt. Let's put it this way. It is made of, hold on, I'm going to tell you the materials, because that's what's going to make the difference. Maybe. It is made 100% rayon. Yes, that is expensive, and that would explain why. Like I said, I can't get the order to pull up right now. I think I changed my password and messed it up. But anyway, I'll just reset it. But they're around $70 to $80. I like this because it's got a mid-length sleeve on it, which I don't like my bat wings here, so I don't wear sleeveless really anymore. But this is kind of cute for summer. It looks like it's a bunch of little sailboats. And so this could be really pretty with a pair of white jeans or white skirt, or navy blue or yellow, even red. That would look very, very cute with that. All right, I'm just going to move through the items. This is also very nice in that it is not sleeveless, and it's a little gapey right here, so that when it does hit here, it is short sleeve, but it's not sleeveless. And so I'm thinking, again, yes, the right size. I have not tried them before, so I don't know if they are going to fit me right the way Stitch Fix does. I have been happy with Stitch Fix, but I decided to try this. This is 100% polyester and machine washable, is that right? Yeah, dry clean or hand wash cold water. Do not bleach, hang, or line dry, meaning don't throw this in the dryer. So these are all going to be delicates, meaning they'll have to be special attention. But I love this red. Obviously, it can go with anything. It's a red burgundy. All right, next. So far, it's only been shirts, so let's just keep going. Next in the group is, again, this is a style I like, actually. Y'all see me in my Stitch Fix get a lot of these types where they're elasticized on the end. I do like when there's a bow or something to make it interesting, but it's 3/4 inch. It's loose on the bottom, so it's not too curvy around my stomach, too restrictive. Sorry, my foot keeps sliding off. These are actually pretty heavy for a stack, but it's a good length as well. It will go down to pretty much cover my business. And this is a beautiful emerald, and it's got black and white, almost like cheetah dots in it. So you could wear white slacks or black slacks. Same with skirts. Okay. Next, same size again. This is much more casual, as you can see. This almost looks like a. Well, let's see what it is. Let's see what it's made of. Hold on. It's almost like a t-shirt material, it feels like. Okay, this is 55% cotton algodon. Oh, that must be another language. Okay, 55% cotton and then 45 rayon, which would mean it is machine cold, line dry. So everything's line dry. In other words, these are good materials, meaning if you're not going to dry clean them, then you have to treat them as delicate, and they're line dry only, which I don't mind that if it's a nice material. This could go with so much, y'all. This could go into the fall because of this kind of rust color. But it's got these beautiful little tiny seed beads that are sewn in, and there's some rust and some green. It's an oatmeal color, so this could go for anything from blue jeans to a cute brown skirt or a tan skirt. And or actually the color and the stitching is an olive, so that actually could go with my olive slacks, and that would be very nice as well. Okay, next is another shirt, and I do like white, so I like that they picked white. I had said that's one of the colors I want. I'm trying to build a white wardrobe. On the top, darker on the bottom. Obviously it's the most flattering to wear a light color on top. And then, especially if you're small chested, it actually makes you look larger up top. But for me, it's brighter to my face. And with my eczema, sometimes I do have a little dandruff dropping. So I'm just being very transparent with y'all. So I don't wear black up top. And it seems as I'm getting older, it's a little too severe. So I do like that this is just a plain white shirt. It's got some spandex to it for sure. And then it's long sleeve. It's button. So it's plain. It's something that you put other things over. I don't see any prices on any of this. So that is from, the reason I know the prices was from the order. Let me see what this one is made of. And if we roll over, we'll just go into a part two. 75% nylon, 25% elastic or spandex. So this is from the brand number 11. It is feels like it's nice and long. Can go over jeans, pants, really of any color. It's white. All right, let's see. Steel tops. Okay. Let's see. Or is that? What is this? Well, this is interesting, especially for summertime. They would have picked this. It is kind of not see-through, but it's very light. But it's a cowl neck, and that's like wintry. I mean, this isn't the hot summers of Georgia. So, but I do like it. It's kind of bat wingy, almost like a tunic poncho top. But you can wear like a long sleeve thermal with it, or you could just wear it by itself or with a cami underneath. Like I said, you can kind of see through it. Not see through, but there's holes. But they're nicely meshed. This is a very unusual color. It almost looks like black with white or cream blended in. Therefore, it could pass almost as a gray or khaki until you get up close. And let's see what this is made of. Where is the... Here it is. This is made of 20% rayon, 35% polyester, and 5% spandex. So it's got a lot of swing and flex to it, and the front is shorter than the back. And so, as you can see, it's just a little bit longer in the back. So that's flattering to cover the booty a little bit. But my belly and just not showing my frontal business is just as important to me. Okay, this one doesn't feel good. I can tell you right off the bat. We'll see. This is lightweight. Oh, this is a dress, y'all. This is a dress. What I don't like right off the bat is it is short sleeve, and I do not have pretty arms. It's also huge. You would be able to see in there. So I would say you'd wear some sort of a tee under this, a silky tee with it, and or make it a tunic top. Oh, it's buttoned up even. This is a send back, I can tell you right now. and it's ruffledy on the bottom, which will add weight. So this is not something I will like. It's kind of a khaki cream color with dark gray and blacks leaves. But I think that's going to be in the I don't want it stack. Now, obviously, I've got to try all of this on. Okay, now we're finally moving to something besides tops. This is a pair of jeans, and it's made by Kancan. Kancan. Am I reading that right? Yes, because it's got on the back pocket a little metal thing. It's just high-rise jeans. And it looks like it's relaxed straight leg. Just a nice pair of jeans, but if I remember correctly, it's not this one. One of the slacks, I've got to look it back up, was $178. And I'm sorry, with all the great jeans that are out there, unless it's cut jeans, I really do like them, I'm not going to pay $200. $178 is just $20 short, really, of, well, now I see why that kept happening. There's the return thing right here, and it's plastic envelope, so that was making everything slide off. And, oh, here are the things. Still no price. But it was when I looked it up. I think I looked it up on my phone. But anyway, next is Liverpool, which I actually do like the brand Liverpool, and it's called a Kelsey trouser. And it's in this really deep mauve. These actually, y'all, are starting to look very fall to me. So here it is. Very similar to the pants that I have on in the fit, that it does have a loop for a belt. And it's of a very pretty color. I guess if I turn it this way, you're seeing more of the real color. It's very deep mauve, whereas when I do it frontal, it almost looks like a pink. But that's more when I'm looking in the monitor. That, and let's do last but not least, a pair of black jeans, which you can never go wrong with those. And these are made by Level 99. So, again, almost everything you saw was $78 to $80, except for the pants. There's two that are around $120, $178. So I don't know if I'm going to keep it, but I'll let y'all know. And you were with me when I did my first